Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
God.
When you think your starter is bad, but in reality, you broke your crankshaft.
Insanely lucky customer drove this into the shop with their timing belt like this.
Customer says engine replacement. Let's see why. Damn.
Came in with brake fluid all over the place. We put brake fluid in it, I drove it, and now it's smoking.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what it is right there.
Show them the hole.
Oh yeah.
Has a hole right there. Had a bad injector.
Customer states, I hit a speed bump and now the car drives funny. This must have happened a while ago for it to be this bad. As a bonus, the brake rotor was snapped in half.
Push it this way.
This vehicle wasn't starting, and after some starter fluid, it popped and lit the carb on fire. After struggling to put out the fire, the mechanic's mother panicked and slammed this bag of flour on it, which surprisingly worked.
Gone? Gone?
The engine doesn't look to be moving much on camera from these worn motor mounts, but the mechanic said whenever you'd accelerate and decelerate, you could feel the whole front end vibrate for a second. The mechanic was pretty sure a tech dropped this head and tried to fix the cracks with JB Weld, but it obviously leaked badly.
You know, all this will probably be easy to get to, providing this plate comes off.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.